Stop chasing. Look, it's Marcel, aka Honey Bunny Sunny, and I'm on a mission to make you some money. Listen, today is all about you, okay? I wanted to make this video not to teach or preach. I really want to understand you a little bit more, right? So for this video, what I want you guys to do is go into the comments and just kind of type where your struggle is. Type in the comments like the things that's, making trading difficult for you. Because here's the thing. A lot of times when you scroll on the internet, everybody's going to make everything seem like it's all good all the time, never any issues. And that's misleading, right? In the world of options or investing, there are so many things that are beyond you, that are beyond your control. But there are things that you can do to prevent yourself from being in certain situations. And there's some situations that you can't avoid, which is where risk management comes into play. So what I want to know from you, yes, you watching right now, what do you need help on? What is a concept that you're not quite understanding? What is something that's not really clicking right now? Put it in the comments, right? This video, I'm telling you, I'm expecting to see this video, just kind of like go viral because I'm going to come in each comment and I'm going to give you a full response. So this is free advice, right, from a profitable trader, and I'm going to go to each comment that comes in. So it's up to y'all how much you want to contribute, but anything that you want to know, place it in the comment and I will respond to it. Also, I will let you know, like, okay, this may not be something that I can answer fully in the comment, and it'll also inform me on what type of videos I need to make for you. Okay, like I'm not here. It's yes, we getting ready to get the monetization, all of that. Yes, there will be some benefits, of the channel growing, but the main thing that I'm trying to do is make sure that you understand how to trade. Right? When people leave my channel, I want to be like, yeah, I got something. Right? And I'm gonna be honest, like sometimes I could be missing the mark, right? But if there's something that I know, right, I could share that, but it may not be exactly what you need in the moment, and I want to make sure that you get what you need, okay? So again, drop it in the comments. Again, if it's too long or it's too complicated, that will lead to another video. I will let you know. I'll respond as best as I can, but then I'll let you know, like, hey, this is probably going to be a video, and also make sure you're subscribed, right? So that when that video does get made, if that, response is a little too long, you'll be able to see it. All right. That's all I got for you today. Today was a, great day in the market. We hit Uber. We entered into Hood. Hood started doing some weird stuff, but I believe that next year, not next year, next week, we should see Hood coming down, right? That's free game right there. Again, it's not financial advice, but Hood is coming down. Y'all can come and reference this video next week and see if I was correct. So yeah, we had a good day, closed the week out strong, had, a very profitable week. So I know everybody in the Prosperity Collective is happy. If you're not in the Prosperity Collective, right, it's September 19th, 2025, and you still are not in the Prosperity Collective. What's going on? I'm going to give you one more tip. We are October 1st raising the price. Right? This is from people that have been in the group. They're like, look, y'all giving this shit away. Go up on the price. And we're also doing something that a lot of people aren't doing. You'll get more of an explanation if you're in the group. I'm not going to say it right here because then I know how people like to come in. It's a lot of people. Listen, it's a lot of people. Listen to me. It's a lot of people. You know what I'm saying? Zay is my witness. There are a lot of people that may have gotten a start before you. Remember this in all that you do, right? They may have gotten a start before you. They may be a little further ahead because time and consistency, right? And this is not taken away from any hard work. It should be rewarded. but the creativity, it be lacking sometimes. And they will go to creators who may not have a huge following yet, and they can go and take claim to things that this person has been doing consistently in front of their audience. And it's only a few people that I know, so they good. They don't care about it. Right? So think about that in your life when you're creating something. Like, don't focus too much on what other people, are doing, because it's just a part of the game. So you could do things like what I said I'm going to do. I'm just like certain things I'm just not going to say because it's not necessary, because who I'm really talking to is over in the group. So those things, can be reserved for, another time. But there's going to be people that are ahead of you that are looking back to see what you're doing so that they can continue going forward. Right? Everybody don't have the same creativity. Everybody doesn't have the same like spirit and stuff like that. We all, have different things, and some people haven't fully dropped into who they are and honor who they are. So they go and they borrow from everybody. You know what I mean? Some may say there's no issue with that, but to each his own. Again, I love you guys. Appreciate you all who are in the group. Everybody who's locked into the Prosperity Collective. And remember, all right, nope, that ain't it. We leaving this in too. Invest smart, live free. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.